Which dance is associated with the state of Punjab? A. Kathak. B. Bhangra. C. Odissi. D. Bharatanatyam. Answer B. Bhangra. Bhangra is a lively folk dance originating from Punjab, typically performed during harvest festivals and celebrations. Which of the following is a traditional dance of the tribal communities in Orissa? A. Garba. B. Sambalpuri. C. Kathak. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer B. Sambalpuri. Sambalpuri dance is a traditional folk dance from Orissa, reflecting the culture and traditions of the western region of the state. Which folk dance is commonly performed during the festival of Navratri in Gujarat? A. Kathakali. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Garba. D. Manipuri. Answer C. Garba. Garba is a traditional dance form performed during Navratri in Gujarat, characterized by circular movements and rhythmic clapping. The dance form, Chau, is primarily associated with which state? A. Karnataka. B. West Bengal. C. Assam. D. Gujarat. Answer B. West Bengal. Chau is a semi-classical dance with martial origins, performed mainly in West Bengal, Orissa, and Jharkhand. Which folk dance from Rajasthan is known for its colorful costumes and energetic movements? A. Kathak. B. Ghumar. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Odissi. Answer B. Ghumar. Ghumar is a traditional Rajasthani dance performed by women, characterized by graceful twirls and vibrant attire. The dance form, Kuchipudi, originates from which Indian state? A. Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Answer B. Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is a classical dance drama from Andhra Pradesh known for its narrative style and intricate footwork. Which of the following dances is performed to celebrate the harvest season in Bihar? A. Bihu. B. Bhangra. C. Jat Jatin. D. Kathi. Answer C. Jat Jatin. Jat Jatin is a popular folk dance of Bihar performed during the harvest season, depicting the love story of Jat and Jatin. Which dance form is recognized by its performance during the festival of Makar Sankranti in Assam? A. Mohiniyattam. B. Bihu. C. Kathak. D. Odissi. Answer B. Bihu. Bihu is the main folk dance of Assam, performed during the Bihu festival to celebrate the Assamese New Year and the harvest. The dance, Dandiya Ras, involves the use of which instrument? A. Dhol. B. Flute. C. Wooden sticks. D. Drum. Answer C. Wooden sticks. Dandiya Ras is a traditional dance from Gujarat where dancers perform with colorful sticks called dandiya. Which folk dance from the northeastern states of India is characterized by its dynamic and rhythmic movements? A. Satriya. B. Garba. C. Kathak. D. Lavani. Answer A. Satriya. Satriya is a classical dance form from Assam that is often performed in satras, monasteries, and reflects the culture of the region. Which of the following is a folk dance from Maharashtra? A. Bihu. B. Ghumar. C. Lavani. D. Kathak. Answer C. Lavani. Lavani is a traditional folk dance from Maharashtra, known for its powerful rhythm and expression, often accompanied by Marathi folk songs. The dance form, Bihu, is performed in which of the following occasions? A. Harvest festival. B. Wedding. C. Diwali. D. Holi. Answer A. Harvest festival. Bihu is a harvest festival dance celebrated in Assam, marking the Assamese New Year. Naga dance is a traditional dance of which community? A. Rajasthani. B. Manipuri. C. Naga tribes. D. Punjabi. Answer C. Naga tribes. Naga dance is performed by the various tribes of Nagaland and showcases their cultural heritage and traditions. Which of the following folk dances involves a dance form where the performers wear masks? A. Bhangra. B. Chau. C. Garba. D. Bihu. Answer B. Chau. Chau is known for its unique use of masks and is performed during various cultural festivals in eastern India. The Sufi dance is primarily associated with which of the following? A. Punjab. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Gujarat. Answer A. Punjab. The Sufi dance, often performed in Punjab, expresses spiritual devotion and is influenced by Sufi music and culture. Which folk dance is performed by women in Kerala as part of a religious ritual? A. Bharatanatyam. B. Mohiniyattam. C. Theyyam. D. Kudiyattam. Answer: C. Theyyam. Theyyam is a ritualistic dance form in Kerala, often performed by men dressed as deities and involves elaborate costumes. The dance form, Gidda, is performed in which state? A. Punjab. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Bihar. Answer: A. Punjab. Gidda is a traditional Punjabi dance performed by women, characterized by clapping, singing, and lively movements. Which dance form represents the cultural heritage of the Santhal tribe in India? A. Bihu. B. Santhali dance. C. Ghumar. D. Garba. Answer: B. Santhali dance. Santhali dance is a traditional folk dance of the Santhal tribe, performed during festivals and celebrations. The dance, Bharatanatyam, is primarily associated with which Indian state? A. Orissa. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Answer: C. Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance forms of India, originating from Tamil Nadu. Which of the following dances involves a dialogue between the male and female performers? A. Kathakali. B. Bhangra. C. Lavani. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer: A. Kathakali. Kathakali is a classical dance drama from Kerala, known for its elaborate makeup and storytelling through dance. The traditional dance of Himachal Pradesh is called A. Dandras. B. Nati. C. Garba. D. Bhangra. Answer: B. Nati. Nati is a traditional folk dance of Himachal Pradesh, performed during various festivals and cultural events. Which of the following is a popular dance form from the state of Kerala? A. Kalaripayatta. B. Garba. C. Mohiniyattam. D. Ghumar. Answer: C. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance from Kerala, characterized by graceful movements and feminine grace. The Koli dance is associated with which community? A. Punjabi. B. Gujarati. C. Maharashtrian. D. Bengali. Answer: C. Maharashtrian. Koli dance is a traditional dance of the Koli community in Maharashtra, reflecting their fishing culture. Which dance is known for its vibrant use of umbrellas and is performed during festivals in Karnataka? A. Yakshagana. B. Garba. C. Kathak. D. Mohiniyattam. Answer: A. Yakshagana. Yakshagana is a traditional folk theatre form from Karnataka that combines dance, music, and dialogue, often featuring colorful costumes and umbrellas. Bhangra is primarily performed during which festival? A. Holi. B. Diwali. C. Lohari. D. Makar Sankranti. Answer: C. Lohari. Bhangra is traditionally performed during the Lohari festival in Punjab, celebrating the harvest season. Which dance form is characterized by the chakkar or spinning movements? A. Kathak. B. Kuchipudi. C. Garba. D. Bihu. Answer: A. Kathak. Kathak is known for its spinning movements called chakkar, which are a significant part of its performance style. The Bihu dance is typically accompanied by which of the following instruments? A. Dhol. B. Mridangam. C. Dafla. D. Tabla. Answer: C. Dafla. The Bihu dance is often accompanied by the dafla, a traditional drum, along with other folk instruments. The Lohri dance is primarily celebrated in which Indian state? A. Punjab. B. West Bengal. C. Rajasthan. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: A. Punjab. Lohri dance is celebrated in Punjab, marking the harvest festival and the arrival of longer days. Bhavai is a folk dance from which state? A. Gujarat. B. Maharashtra. C. Rajasthan. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: A. Gujarat. Bhavai is a traditional folk dance of Gujarat known for its dramatic storytelling and balancing acts. The Bhangra dance style incorporates movements that resemble which of the following activities? A. Harvesting crops. B. Fishing. C. Herding cattle. D. Planting trees. Answer: A. Harvesting crops. Bhangra incorporates energetic movements that mimic the actions of harvesting crops, reflecting its agricultural roots.